Do you know that in seminar business, you can actually make not less than 100,000 naira a day? Just a day. 100,000, 200,000, 300,000 naira, depending on your ability to gather audience, enough number of persons to register, depending on your ability to present, your ability to to communicate, depending on your skill and experience in the business. You're welcome to my channel. In today's business idea, we're going to look at seminar business. Have you ever asked yourself, why is it that the rich organize seminar, the poor organize seminar, the educated organize seminar, the skilled person organize seminar? It tells us that there is something unique about seminar business. Why so many are organizing seminars is because it's a lucrative business. If you turn on your radio or your television, you see people advertising their seminars. This is because seminar is a lucrative business that anyone can step in and make good money. Now, the truth is that the business is lucrative and broad. There are thousands and millions of topics anyone can pick and treat them very well and make good money. Now, in today's video, I'm going to share with you some secrets and some calculations, profitability, and the formula you can use to make more profit in this business. It's a lucrative business that does not require much capital to step in. Now, one of the easiest ways to make money in seminar business is to follow the formula written here. TR is equal to SR plus PS plus CB. Now, TR means total revenue. Now, your total revenue during the seminar will be equal to SR, which is seminar registrations. In other words, for you to make money, there should be registrations. Now, number 2 is PS. PS is product sales. You can sell handout in soft copy or printed copy, audio books, or videotapes. You can sell all these things as product. You may be also advertising other products in your seminar and you sell them and make money. So PS stands for product sales. Now, the seminar may lead to consulting business, which is CB, consulting business. There are those that attend that seminar because they own that business you discuss. The topic you discuss is the person's business, and so the person may desire to know more. This is the key, because you teach and expose a lot of truth and knowledge, hidden secrets in the business during your seminar. There are a lot of persons, at least 20% of those that attend this seminar will likely to consult you for more business. And so these are the areas you can make money during your seminar businesses. Now let's further look at the analysis, how you are going to actually turn this to finance. Now, during the seminar, let's assume that our registration fee is 5,000 naira per person. 5,000 naira per person, which is very affordable, is very easy to achieve. So, registration is 5,000 naira. Let's assume that the seminar handout or audio, other materials is sold for 2,500 naira. Now, consulting fee, let's assume that we are just charging, 10,000 naira per person. This is our charges. These are our charges. These are the amount we are going to charge during the seminar. Now let's come down. Let's have a breakdown. Total registration. Let's assume that 20 persons will attend our seminar. 20 persons will attend our seminar. Now 20 times 5,000 that we are charging per person, it will give us 100,000 naira. Clean. Now already, because they have registered to attend, already we have made 100,000 from registration. Now let's look at the materials we are to sell, we are prepared to sell. Now let's assume that out of the 20, only 15 bought the materials and we are selling it for 2,500. That means 15 times 2,500 will give us 37,500 naira. Now let's assume that among the 20 persons that attend our seminar, only 5 decide to consult us for further understanding and for more business, for more knowledge, for more exposition, for more business and transaction with us. So if only 5 decide to consult us, Let's assume that we are charging very low, 10,000 naira per person. That gives us another 50,000 naira. There is possibility that the number of persons that will come to consult to acquire more knowledge from us will be more than 5. But let's use the 5. Let's use this number as our reference point. Let's also assume that it's only 20. There is no way you will prepare a seminar and go out there, advertise, and only 20 persons will attend. But for this video, let's just use 20 so that we have an understanding, as a base. This 20 should serve as a base of our calculation. We have 20 persons to our registration, 15 persons buy the materials, and then 5 persons will come for consultation. This will give us 100,000 plus 37,500 plus 50,000. It will give us, total will give us 187,500 naira. Now we may decide that the seminar will last for 2 days or for 1 day, depending on the volume of the things or the quantity of things we want to dispose, the volume, the level of knowledge we want to transfer. Now, there are so many topics that anybody can choose and teach and make good money. Now, I'm going to give you 5 or 10 trending topics that anybody can choose and actually get enough audience to teach and make good money. Number 1 is Bitcoin trading or seminar. Number 2 is, Forex training. If you can teach people how to trade Forex, you will make good money. Number 3 is online money, generally online businesses. That is how to make sales online, how to make money online, maybe how to grow your YouTube channel, how to grow your audience online. You see, all those online topics, so many persons are now trying to queue into online business and they don't know how. So if you have enough knowledge, if you know how you can present these topics and make people believe in what you're saying, and if you know that your system, your pattern can yield result, I tell you that you should step into seminar, organizing seminar business, and you are going to make good money. Now, another business idea, another topic that people always treat is how to start pig farming, how to start fish farming business, how to rear poultry, poultry farming, how to start one business or the other that is trending, how to establish an outstanding bakery. These are seminar topics that people step in and make good money. Now, there are those that will step in generally and tell you that they have strategies on how you can grow your business fast. That means you want to attract businessmen, and there are those that their business are fizzling away. There are those that their business are at the verge of bankruptcy, and so they are looking for solution by all means. When you advertise this kind of topic, you attract real businessmen, and then you sit down and present your topic, give a good speech, give a good presentation. I tell you, it will not just end with that seminar. There are those that will call for consultation. There are those that will buy your seminar materials, and you're going to make good money. This is a lucrative, simple business that anyone can step in and make good money. Let's take a quick look at the materials or equipment that we need for our seminar. Number 1 is projector. Most times we need a projector, for demonstration. Also, what we are teaching, it should be clearly flash on a screen, so we need a projector. Most times you cannot buy the projector because the money may not be there, so you just rent a projector. Now, after that, you also need a microphone so that your audience will grab what we are saying. Also, we need a hall, so we may rent a hall and a generator to power this microphone and the projector. These are crucial or silent things that we need. These are most important equipment that we need to set to start our seminar. Please don't forget to subscribe. Click on that notification bell. Recommend this channel to your friends. Don't forget to like this video. Drop your own comment, your own opinion. See you in our next video. Bye bye.